Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to start some other topics of marketing or say digital marketing. So let's start. First topic is brand positioning, then brand awareness, then buyer persona, then account based marketing, and finally EWOM and conversational marketing. So let's start one by one. First is brand positioning. Brand positioning is nothing but a way like where three things will come. First is what your competitors are providing, or what services or products they are providing or offering to their customers, and what your customers are looking for, or what you are providing. So you have to do something which can stand you out from the crowd. So if there is some kind of USP, that is unique selling proposition, then you can do well in in the market, or you can gain lot of audience for your products. Next is brand awareness. In brand awareness, two things comes. First is brand recall, second is brand recognition. Brand recall is nothing but you should know, like if there is some brand like Toyota, if I say, so you should know that Toyota is dealing with cars. So when we used to see cars from manufactured by Toyota, so to get to know about product class of one particular company, it will come under brand awareness, that you know that what this brand deals with. If I talk about Nike, so you know that it's a sport brand, like deals with clothes, then the shoes and all these things. So it's nothing but brand awareness. Brand recall. So brand awareness, there is two things. First is brand recall. It's what you should know the product class of a particular brand, or a company. And second is brand recognition. Recognition is nothing but when we see a tick or just do it logo, we get to know that it's Nike. So recognizing a brand by looking at the logo, color and tagline. So it's nothing but brand recognition. Next is buyer persona. Buyer persona is nothing but a representation of your ideal customer. Say if you are you are there to, you have some jewelry and you are trying to sell it. So who will be your right customer for that jewelry? Obviously women's. Targeting men would be worthless. So in this case, you should have a buyer persona like gender female, then demographics, say location or age, income, and based on that, if I talk about Tanish, so they will be looking for a buyer persona who will be having like fine income, or middle class, or say upper class people would be there for Tanishq brand. Next is account based marketing. So in this, what marketers do, instead of targeting whole audience, and there would be set of people who are not at all going to buy their product. So what marketers do, they just recognize the ideal customer profile, and based on the product, say if there is a product, something like, I should say that some brand like say Nike or Adidas, so they will be looking for the customers list in their profile, in their database, and whenever people will be, and they'll get to know, or they'll find those list of names who are very much into Adidas and Nike buying. So once they will get it, what they'll do, they'll just write a mail, or say they'll start texting them or sending them message that hey, this is some new product, or hey, there is some discount on this product, you would be interested in this, something like this. So it's like account based marketing, nothing but understanding ideal customer profile and pinging them only, instead of hitting a large audience. Next is EWOM, that is electronic words of mouth. So when we talk about say I am looking for a phone, suppose I am looking for a phone, I want to buy a new phone. So what I'll do first, especially in this digital era, what I'll do, I'll just go through internet. I will be start, firstly I will decide which brand. Suppose Samsung. Now I will be looking for the model. Suppose I have got like Samsung A30 or Samsung, any updated version of it, or any new version of it. So once I'll get the pictures of it on Amazon or Flipkart, what I'll do, I'll start reading the reviews. So whether people are saying it's good value for money or not, so I will be starting reading the reviews. So these reviews are nothing but e-words of mouth, that is electronic words of mouth. Electronic is for because of this internet. When it comes to in direct communication, say we both are friends and I have bought something new and I am sharing my experience with you, when you are in front of me or when we are sitting together, something like this. So I will be sharing that, see this product, I have got it from Amazon or Flipkart, and this is really very good product. So it's nothing but words of mouth. Whenever we are reading reviews, so it's electronic words of mouth. Whenever we are talking directly or there is no means of internet, so it's nothing but words of mouth. Next is conversational marketing. So when it comes to conversational marketing is nothing but a way of two-way marketing. That is, suppose I have written a blog, and now if you are liking it, you will be sharing your comment, and if you think that I should come up with some other idea, you haven't liked it at all, so what you will do, you will just write writing comments, or you will be commenting there, you will be sending some suggestions and these things. So this is nothing but two-way communication. I have done something, say I have written something in blog, that's nothing but my perception or maybe my experience. So now you are sharing your perception or what you feel or what do you think after reading that blog. So it's what two-way communication. I have written something, you are saying something, or you are recommending, you are suggesting me something. So it's a two-way communication. So or we can say social media marketing. Whenever we do social media marketing, it's also a two-way communication. Then blogging, social media marketing, videos and everything, like where there is a possibility to get a reply or to get a comment from other side also. It's nothing but like conversational marketing, where people used to market product and there is a possibility that the one who is viewing it, so they can also share their reviews, and they can also say that, hey, I like this product, so how much for this product, or something, like a kind of conversation is going on. So it would be conversational marketing. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please share this video, like, comment and do subscribe for my channel. And if you have any kind of doubts, just let me know. I will be clearing up all your doubts. And yes, if you want me to come up with some other topics, then I can cover that too. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting soon. Bye.